Hello everyone, my name is Bharat Patil.
My name is Swaraj Dattatre Bangar.
Hello, I am Aradhana Pandey.
Hello, I am Yudhit Pawar and we made this automatic solar tracker.
We designed our circuit diagram on the Tinkercad software. Here I am going to explain some components we used here. First is main component is Arduino Uno board, and we establish all connections on that breadboard. We use one solar panel, two LDR sensors, one servo motor. Servo motor is used for rotating the solar panel in the direction of sun, and we use 10 kilo ohm resistors.
The project is based on a solar tracker that can move to the direction of the sun using the two LDR sensors. So why we made this project? As we all know, the solar panels we install on our terrace that are still on a place that can't move in the direction of the sun, as they can't make more energy. So our idea is to move the solar panel according to the direction of the sun. So we made this project. In this project, we put light on the LDRs and it moves in the direction of the sun.
Let's start our real implementation of our project. We have written this code in C programming. Let's upload this code. And then this is two LDR sensors. One is from east side and one is from west side. We put the light on east LDR, the panel moves to east, and as we put the light on west LDR, the panel moves to west.
Let's understand the main motto of this project. In our daily lives, in our homes and in various areas, we place the static solar panels, but in this project we are using the rotating solar panel. We are rotating the panel with the help of LDR sensors. So normal panel, suppose a normal panel consuming 100% of energy, but with the help of this rotating solar panel, we consume the more 30%, means up to 130% of energy with the help of this rotating solar panel. Suppose normal static solar panels are wasting 90% of energy. With the help of these rotating solar panels, we are consuming the wasted 90% of energy. And with this, we are solving a lot of real world problems like global warming. We saw in our day-to-day lives due to extreme heat, and it causes the emission of various greenhouse gases like CO2. But with the help of this project, we are consuming the maximum amount of solar energy, and we are storing it in it, and we are converting the solar energy for various day-to-day purposes like electricity, for water heating. These are all other